begun. Waves rolling softly, soothing sight. Ocean's breath, the morning light. And there on the horizon a giant soars. A ship sails north with tails of shores. Above an eagle in the sky, white-breasted beauty flying high. Oh, walk with me where the wildflowers hide, beside the sea where our hearts abide. Dancing dolphins along the rocky line. And this melody, your hand in mine. The springtime wattle starts to bloom. Brush strokes of gold dispel the gloom. Footsteps in rhythm with the ocean's rhyme. This coastal path, our sweet sublime. As petals flutter in gentle breeze, we weave through nature's tapestries. Under the watch of eagles' flight, every step in this dance feels right. Oh, walk with me where the wildflowers hide, beside the sea where our hearts abide. Dancing dolphins along the rocky line. And this melody, your hand in mine. Ooh. And in the distance, fish in chase, a playful scene, this vibrant space. Every crest of wave, a story told, in hues of azure, deep and bold. Softly the sea whispers to the shore. In every step we find something more. With every heartbeat, with every glance, this walk, this day, our perfect chance. Oh, oh, walk with me where the wildflowers hide, beside the sea where our hearts abide. Dancing dolphins along the rocky line. And this melody, your hand in mine. So let's keep walking, just you and I, under the vast, expansive sky. From Betka to Quarry and back again, in this song where the sea and